to the city streets, we began to feel the fire.
Alright, welcome back to Funny Computer Hub. So we are continuing from where we stopped on our mobile video editing training. So if you have not been able to go through the previous tutorial, you can check the description below and watch the videos. This is just the third part of this training, and in the last tutorial we stopped on Canvas and how to use Canvas. So in this video I'm going to navigate all the tools that we have here, all the icons that is on inshot. I'm just going to touch them and then explain what they do. So as we keep on practicing, we are going to be making use of those icons, and then you're going to see how they works. So the first icon which I've showed you is Canvas, which I've showed you on the previous tutorial how it works. The next one is music. Music is if you want to add music to your video, you can click on music and then select the music. This one is select the music that you want. If you click on feature, there is music features here which you can download them and then add it on your music. Then the next one is under this feature, you can see extract video, extract audio from video, or you click on import, or we will also have imported video that you imported, or you click here to import videos, okay, from video. Okay, what this thing means is this: let's say all these things you are seeing here are videos, okay, but if there is a music and audio that is on a video that I want to use doing my editing, I can select any of the video and then it will extract the audio that are on that video. Is that you use this or you use extract audio from video. Once you click on it, it will open up your videos. Then you select the video that you want. Let's say for example I have this video now. I have this video. I don't want to select a video that we have copyright. I want a video that, okay, let me select this interview for one of my students. Let me just select it. Can you see now it will show you extract audio? If I click here, it will just extract the audio. But if I want to save that audio, okay, the audio that is being extracted from this video, now I'll check this to save it. I can name it anything. Let's say op interview. Okay, I'll just click check. I click this mark. You're going to see what will happen now. It will extract that audio, the audio that is on this video. It will extract it and I can be able to use it to edit. Can you see successfully saved? Can you see now something is now on top of my video clip? Can you see that is the name I gave to it? Can you see now? So I'm not going to play it, but just know that something is here. So let's say let me click on the music again. If you look at it, you can see my music. If I click here, it will open up the music that are on my phone. Okay, even when it open up this interface, can you see extract from audio is also here? So even if you are on featured, you can see extract from audio. Even if you are on my music, you can see extract from audio. Okay, but you're going to see a lot of music that are on your phone. Okay, so you select the one that you want. If for example is the one that you want, now if you click on it, it will start playing. Okay, it will start playing. If you want it to be favorite, you check this love icon. It will be one of your favorite. It is playing now, but you'll not be able to hear it. So once you select it, you want to add it, you click on use. Once you click on use, can you see it now? This is the one that is on top. Remember, this is the one we extracted from the video. This one is the one we just added. Okay, so that is all for music. If you look now, there's effects. These are effects that you can add on your videos and all that. Okay, let's say for example you did something and you want an effect to it. Let's say a bear link. Let's say you are coming out, or let's say, I don't know how to explain this thing to you for you to understand, but you're going to understand it more when you enroll on our video editing training. Yes, on the advanced video editing training, so that you'll be able to know when to use it. Okay, because if I begin to explain it now to you, you'll not be able to understand it. But if you enroll on our video editing training, you're going to see how it works. We're going to show you to how it works. Okay, so that is it. So that is it for music. You are going to see this one. You can see record is you using your voice to record something. We usually call it voice over. Okay, let's say you don't want to add music, you want to, or let's say you can even add music and then make the music to be playing on the background, so you reduce the volume of the music and then use voiceover. Okay, let's say, I believe you have been seeing videos on TikTok or even on YouTube. Let's say you are a baker and you are doing you are baking your shinshem and all that, and you see that video will be playing why there will be a voiceover. Okay, or let's say somebody is trying to show off his lifestyle and the person will be saying something on the video. Okay, you just be hearing a voice on the video, not the music only, but you be hearing the music. Sometimes you may not even add music, you just use voiceover. So to do that, just click on the record. Once it stops counting on this, can you see now? You click on good. Can you see now? This is the record. Can you see? This is the the recorded audio. This is the one I added. This is the one we extracted from video. So there's something you need to understand here now. If you want to add any effect or if you want to edit any of the audios, remember you have to select them. This is something that will help you to know that you are on this particular audio. Can you see? We have 3 audios now. Can you see now? I'm on interview. So for you to know that you are on the first one, is you can see this white border around it. So if I select the second one now, you can see a white border around it too. If I select the third one, you can see a white border around it too. Okay, not just a white border, something like this, which will help you to reduce or even move it around. Okay, so that is it. So that is how to add music or even voice record on your videos with inshot. Okay, so in the next training I'm going to show you how to add stickers and a lot on inshot. If you're yet to subscribe to our YouTube channel, kindly smash the subscription button below this video and turn on the notification bell, so that anytime we drop amazing video you will be notified. So I also want to show you how to remove music from your video. Okay, remember we are still on music, right? So it's not just you knowing how to add it. What if you want to remove it? How are you going to do it? This particular video we call it clip. I have 2 clips. If I click on this now, you can see, can you see there's a white border around it, which to show me that I am on this video. Can you see now? Can you see where it ends? This particular video, the last video that is on green, now can you see there is no border on it? So let me leave it this way. If I click on this, if I select this, can you see a white border around it? If I decide to select this one, can you see a white border? So I have 2 clips here. Yes, we call it clip. This is 1, this is 2. For you to confirm it, I will just click and hold, just place and hold. Can you see? It will just display this way. Can you see? I have this one, I have this one. Can you see? I have 2 clips. Okay, these are my 2 videos that I want to edit. Can you see? Okay, but on the music itself, if I click on music now, let me just click on this thing. If you observe now, the music that we added, can you see below this video, below this clip, you can see a line that is something like a purple line below it. This to show you that there is something that is being added to this clip. Okay, So it's obvious that it's a music. It can be a music, it can be anything. So anything it is, you have to click on that thing to be able to know it. Remember, we are aware that what we added is music. So I have to click on music icon, so you'll be able to see all the music that you added to your videos. Okay, if I want to delete anyone, let's say I want to delete the voiceover, I select it, and then can you see delete here? I click on delete. I want to delete this second one, this first one, I select it, click on delete. Okay, not just deleting it. What if I want to reduce the volume? Can you see volume here? You can reduce it, you can make it to be 0. If once it's on 0, it's obvious that you have removed the volume. Okay, if I reduce this way, it will be playing in the background. Okay, so once you're able to set to the volume that you want, you click on this. Okay, can you see now there is no volume on this? So if I want to delete it, I click on delete. So that is it. Then what if, remember what we just deleted is the music we just added. What if I want to remove music from this video itself? What I'm going to do is I click on the clip, click on the video that I want to remove the music from. I want to remove the music that is on the video. I have to select the video and then come to volume. There is nowhere you are going to see remove music on inshot. Okay, just come over to volume, and then can you see this volume? I'm going to draw it to 0. Can you see now? If you watch this clip now, there is something like an audio icon with a red stroke on it. Watch this clip now. There is something like audio icon with red stroke on it. If I just added a link, can you see now it has gone, it has been removed. But if it gets to 0, this will tell you that there is no voice, there is no sound on this video again. That's what it means. Okay, let's say when you are playing your music and you mute your sound, you're going to see that your sound icon we have is a red stroke to show you that you are on mute. Okay, so that is it. So that is how to remove music from your video. So in the next tutorial, I'm going to show you more how to do more using inshot. Don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell beside the subscription button and select all, select all, so that all the videos that will drop on this channel you will get notification. All right, I will see you in the next tutorial.